U.S. stocks, they're little changed this Tuesday morning as traders take in higher rates, possible additional stimulus measures, as well as more political turmoil. The yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury briefly traded at 1.18%, the highest level since March, and expectations for additional fiscal stimulus is one of the reasons behind the steady move higher in yields. Also, President-elect Joe Biden expected to release details on his economic plan on Thursday. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That sees its intraday support, 121.30. The British pound-US dollar pair sees the bias remain bullish, and that's in focus. The pair bouncing above the support at 135.35, above its rising 20 and 50 period moving averages. Long positions above that figure are favored with targets at 136.35 and 136.70 in extension. The US dollar-Japanese yen pair sees the upside prevail, while the Bitcoin dollar sees the upside prevail as long as 35.85 is the support. The pivot point, 35,085. And in precious metals, gold sees a continuation of the rebound as gold has broken above a former declining trend line. Long positions above 1841 are favored with targets at 1877 and 1894 in extension. This while silver has its watch level, 2630 a troy ounce.